Does Irene even know we're here?
Not exactly, but she didn't take your case because I messed up, and that's not fair to you.
So what? You're going to represent me? Do you even have a license?
Not yet, but there's nothing stopping me from helping you represent yourself.
I'm listening. What are my options?
Well, at this stage you have 3. None of them are perfect, but they are all options. Option 1, you negotiate a plea deal. The prosecutors already hinted they'd be open to lowering the charges to a misdemeanor, conditional on no contest.
I'm not pleading guilty.
You wouldn't be admitting guilt. Exactly. But for the purposes of sentencing, a court will treat it the same as a guilty plea.
It sounds like I'm guilty.
Option 2, you request to file a motion to suppress. Since the officer didn't have probable cause, you can try and have the evidence tossed.
Well, that sounds like something. Let's do that.
Hold on. If the request is granted, then yes, the prosecutor's case gets a lot weaker. But if it gets denied, that could just indicate which piece of evidence you're most afraid of, and that could lower your leverage in a plea deal.
What's option 3?
You take it to trial.
None of the lawyers that I can afford will take my case.
You can proceed pro se. It's risky, but it is the only option where you don't concede anything.
Do I have a chance?
I think the state's case has gaps. The chain of custody on the evidence is questionable at best, but a jury won't always care about procedural flaws the way a judge might.
So that's a no.
That is a not guaranteed.
And if I take a plea?
You avoid felony conviction, likely probation and a fine. No jail time, though, assuming you comply with all terms.
What would you do?
I think you should take it to trial. And I will help you in any way I can.
What if you lose your job?
It's a risk I'll have to take. I owe you this.